Whenever minus meets minus, it becomes plus. Whenever plus meets plus, it becomes plus. It's still plus. Whenever plus meets minus, it becomes minus. Meanwhile, whenever the signs are different, all you need to do is to subtract. Remove the smaller number from the bigger number. Then write down the sign of the bigger number. That's all. But whenever the signs are the same, all you need to do is to add. Whenever the signs are the same, add. Then write down the sign. Okay? So let's try some questions together. The signs are different, so what do? We subtract. Remove 2 from 9. Remove the smaller number from the bigger number, like your normal subtraction. We are left with what? 7. Then write down the sign of the bigger number, plus. So our answer is what? Plus 7 or 7. Now, minus meets minus. So whenever minus meets minus, what happens? It becomes plus. Good. Write down your minus 3. Write down your 4. The signs are different. So what do? We subtract. When you subtract, you remove 3 from 4. What is left? Just 1. So what do? We write down the sign of the bigger number. So this is 1. Do you understand? Good. Now, minus meets minus. Whenever minus meets minus, what happens? It becomes plus. Good. So this is 9. This is 10. So 9 plus 10 is 19. Very easy, right? Good. Whenever plus meets minus, it becomes minus. Write down your 12. Write down your minus 4. The signs are the same. So what do? We add. 4 plus 12 is 16. Then we write down the sign. Do you understand? Good. Plus meets minus. So it becomes minus. Write down your 5. Write down your 8. So 5 minus 8 becomes minus 3. Do you understand? Good. Whenever plus meets minus, it becomes minus. Good. Write down your 2. Write down your minus 9. The signs are the same. So what do? We add. Now give me high five. Give me another high five. Good.